Yo, what's up, Money Squad? Ever looked at your Chime balance and thought, damn, I could really use this cash right now, but hesitated because you weren't sure how much you could actually transfer? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Chime transfer limits. Let's figure out exactly how much money you can move around without hitting any roadblocks. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this even matters. Maybe you're saving up for a big purchase, need to cover an unexpected expense, or just want to have a better grip on your finances. Understanding your Chime transfer limits is key to managing your money effectively. So, here's the deal. Chime doesn't have a flat-out, one-size-fits-all transfer limit. It depends on a few factors. Your account type. Are you using a Chime spending account, savings account, or something else? The transfer method. Are you transferring to another Chime member, an external bank account, or using a debit card? Your account history. How long have you been a Chime member? What's your transaction history like? Let's break down the different types of transfers and what you need to know. Transferring to another Chime member. This is usually the easiest and fastest way to send money to a friend or family member who also uses Chime. The good news? There's typically no limit on how much you can send to another Chime member. It's like sending a digital high five with money attached. But remember, while there might not be a specific limit, your account balance is still a factor. You can't send more money than you actually have in your account. Duh, right? Transferring to an external bank account. Now, this is where things can get a bit more complicated. When transferring money to a bank account that's not Chime, you'll typically encounter some limits. Standard transfer limits. Chime usually sets a daily and weekly transfer limit. This is to protect you from fraudulent activity. Increasing your limit. If you need to transfer more than the standard limit, you might be able to request an increase. This often requires verifying your identity and providing additional information. Using your Chime debit card. Your Chime debit card is like your trusty sidekick for everyday spending. But how much can you actually spend? Well, this depends on your available balance and any daily spending limits that Chime might have in place. To find your exact limits, you can usually check the Chime app. They'll give you a clear breakdown of what you can and can't do with your money. Important considerations. Overdraft fees. Chime doesn't charge overdraft fees, but if you try to spend or transfer more money than you have, your transaction might be declined. Hold times. Sometimes, there might be a hold on funds when you make a deposit. This means the money is available to see but not spendable right away. Account verification. To increase your transfer limits or access certain features, Chime might need to verify your identity. Be ready to provide some personal information. Tips for managing your money. Know your limits. Understanding your Chime transfer limits is the first step to financial control. Budget wisely. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Build good credit. Using your Chime Visa Credit Builder card responsibly can help improve your credit score. Take advantage of Chime features. Explore features like automatic savings and roundups to boost your financial goals. Alright, Money Squad, that's a wrap on Chime transfer limits. Remember, while I've covered the basics, it's always a good idea to check the Chime app or website for the most up-to-date information. And if you're still unsure, don't hesitate to contact Chime customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances on point.